Now let's look at how AI and automation combine to form what we call agents. To start with, an automation executes steps you've defined. An AI agent decides what to do next based on context. And when you combine both, you get a system that can read, reason, and respond. So for example, I have this AI email agent I created here. What it does is that once a message is received, my AI agent here sort of reads the messages, categorizes them, summarizes important ones, and then it responds to the email in a timely and professional way. And I've given a clear guideline as to how it should provide the response. I've talked about the fact that it has to be professional, it has to be concise, and I've talked about the fact that it should also address any questions, emails, requests, and then maintain a friendly professional tone. So I've defined everything I want this AI agent to do, right? So if I should, for instance, execute this right now, you'd see that I have an email that has come through. So this email is passed on to my AI agent, and based on the response I get from the AI agent, it sort of like generates an output for you. Okay, so when I come in here into my next step in the automation, I've given clear instructions that I just want to have a human in the loop. Okay, so this passes this on to the next step in the process, which is the Gmail node. If I should execute this node right now, it'll send me a message that this is the response that has been drafted. Do you want to approve? And once this is approved, the response is sent to whoever sends the email to me. So that's not just automation. We do have AI in here making some decisions, helping out with crafting emails, making decisions on whether this is even worth responding to. And you can even upgrade your workflows. Like if you wanted to just respond to, let's say, urgent emails only, you can put all that inside a prompt inside your AI agent node, and it would act with purpose. So just think about it like this. Agents are where your workflows start to feel alive. They don't just follow instructions, but then they make decisions on your behalf.